Should you use Advantage Plus placements on Facebook or manually edit them? There are few things on Facebook ads that make or break the business. This is one of those things. Please watch this video entirely. After watching this video, you will have clarity in your mind what placement to use and when to use them. This is really important when running Facebook ads. This may lead to your low cost of acquisition, or this may lead to higher cost of acquisition. So you need to watch this clearly. I will give you live examples and calculate you what happens when you use manual placements and what happens when you use Advantage Plus placements. So for those who are new to my channel, my name is Divyang and I am running Facebook ads from 2020 and able to generate more than 50 million in revenue for my clients. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you have any doubt regarding Facebook ads, please put down in the comment section. I'm happy to help you guys. So let's start the video. Now you are on my computer screen. If you go to your campaign level and then to ad set level, and at the bottom of the ad set level, you will see these two options: Advantage Plus placements as Facebook recommend and manual placements. There are things that you need to keep in mind. If you are using any conversion based campaigns like sales or leads, you need to use Advantage Plus placements. If you are running brand awareness, traffic, and any other traffic campaign, landing page views, campaigns, then you can use manual placements. So make it clear, if you are running sales campaign or leads campaign, always use Advantage Plus placements, and for other campaigns you can use manual placements, because when we are running as leads or sales campaign, we are asking Facebook to give you conversions, and conversions cannot be cheap and high. Conversions are conversions. If you are asking Facebook to give you sales, they will give you sales. There are no cheap sales or high quality sales. Sales is sales. Same goes with the leads. So there are few placements that are there are placements that are of high quality, and there are placements that are not of high quality, like audience networks. So everybody knows this. So when you select manual placements, you must have seen that there are multiple placements where Facebook plays your ads depending on what you ask from them, right? Facebook feed, Facebook Instagram feed, marketplace, video feeds, stories, Instagram stories, Instagram reels, Facebook reels. These are expensive placements by Facebook, and audience networks, messengers, in stream, or search results. They are very cheap quality of placement. So you need to see what kind of campaign you are running. So if you are running any brand awareness manual placement, you can choose for profile feed, where you just profile feeds, Instagram feeds. You can use any of them. But when you are running a sales campaign, you should always use Advantage placements. I've seen many videos where people are asking you to use manual placements, whether where they have no idea what kind of campaign you are running. So generally, what happens is, when I audit the ad accounts, I've seen most of the people who are running sales campaign are using manual placements, and their cost of acquisition is high. That's why they were not able to be profitable, or they are not able to get consistent sales, right? These things matter because this will limit the number of volume sales you get. This is very common mistake people make in 2024 itself. So I'm giving you an example why you should use Advantage Plus placements. Advantage Plus placements enable us to get the best results available across all the platform, because we can choose results widest range possible. Advantage Plus placement are most efficient use of your budget and help control loss. This is even recommended by Facebook also. If you can see, using fewer than 6 placement may increase cost per result. We recommend selecting additional platform which where your ad can be delivered. This enables the delivery system to allocate your budget where it likely to perform the best. I recommend Advantage Plus placements because if you use the lowest cost bid strategy and decide to check the average cost per result for each placement in your report, you might notice Facebook feed is significantly cheaper than it is on Instagram story or reels, right? So you might think that you should stop placing ads on Instagram story or reels and place more on Facebook feed, right? Right, it's natural. So it's obvious, you obviously think of removing those placement where the cost of acquisition is high. Who want to shift to the placement where cost of acquisition is low. It's natural, but this is where people are wrong. Keep in mind that Facebook algorithm is designed to only show your ads to the people that will most likely to convert at lowest average cost overall, not the lowest average cost of each individual placements. Right? So Facebook duty is to give you the lowest cost, not to give you the lowest cost on each placements, whether it's on Facebook or Instagram, story, reels. This means the Facebook look all the available opportunities across all the placements and select the least expensive one without regard for what average cost per result will be for each placement. Right? So it is really clear that Facebook wants to give you cheap results regardless of what placement they are going after. They will use all the opportunities. Now I'm going to share you an example. I'm giving you an example of if you are using Advantage Plus placements, right? So daily budget is around $80, and we are getting some results, right? So Facebook get first sales on Facebook, second on Instagram Reels or audience network, third on Instagram, and cost of per result is higher on that side. Again new sale on Facebook, then again on Instagram, then again on Facebook, then again on an audience network and Instagram. This is for Advantage Plus placement. Facebook is using all the available opportunities. So let's calculate the amount of sales we got. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9. We got 9 results. That means we got 9 sales, right? And cost per result will be $80 divided by 9, that is 8.88 is the cost per result. So each and every sale that you are getting after spending $80, we got 9 sales and the cost per result is 8.8, right? Everything is clear. Now what happen is, so here we are getting 9 sales and cost per result is 8.8. Here we opted to, we think of we remove the Instagram story or reels placement, right? So how many results we got now? 1 2 3 4 5 6. How many results we got? We got 6 sales, right? 80 divided by 6, that is 13.3. Now once we remove these placements, what happened is we got less results. Previously we got 9 results, and on Advantage Plus placements here we got 6 results, and our cost per result is increased by $5. Previously it was $8, now here it is $13.3. What happened is Facebook was not able to get results and they have lowered down the volume of sales. They have increased the cost per result. It is the downside of using, and this is the downside of using manual placements in conversion campaigns. That's why it is always recommended to use Advantage Plus placements if you are using conversion based objectives, leads or sales. Right. So to summarize this whole thing, if you are using conversion based objectives, sales or leads, use Advantage Plus placements. And if you are not, if you are running any other type of campaigns, brand awareness, traffic, you want to use the highest quality of placement, you can use manual placements. There are no ifs and buts in these things. If you intentionally use and manual placements in sales in conversion based objectives, you will see increase in the cost per results and decrease in the volume. I hope this video makes sense to you, and if you have any doubt you can reach out to me using the link in description. Thank you.